Welcome back, guys. Have a very quick follow-up for you on my Popoman, TECCPO, whatever you want to call it, cordless random orbital polisher. It has finally failed on me, and I wanted to show you exactly what happened when it happened. Here we go. So you can see that something obviously has failed inside it. I may take it apart later to see. So I jumped on Amazon to look at my previous orders. There it was called the Popoman. I paid $136 for it. Click on it, and it comes up as a TECCPO that I've purchased back in April of 2021, which is not the case. And what a lot of these Chinese sellers do is they will, if they have a subpar product, it'll get terrible reviews or something, then they'll rebrand it the same exact product under a different name. And you can see it says Popoman in the picture there, even though they call it something else. The problem is there was nothing wrong with this. It's a great product. So now it's called the ALEAPOW, and it's even cheaper, $127.99, and you get another $10 coupon on top of that. So it keeps going down in price. Still get the same charger, same battery, same polisher, and it has pretty good reviews, 4+ stars, and it's basically identical findings in the reviews of what I'm seeing is you get about 30 minutes of runtime. It takes forever to charge. It only comes with one battery. People can't find extra batteries. I mean, it's not bad. And so for that reason, because it failed, and I have probably 100 hours of runtime on this polisher. I've charged it multiple times, but I use it in rotation with my other polishers, and I primarily use it for finishing. I don't use it for cutting because it's a little lacking in power for that. But I did find that now they've come out with a quick charger, which will charge that battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and instead of 3 hours, it supposedly takes about an hour. So I'm going to order that when I order the new polisher, and we will continue this because I know some of you guys have tried this and liked this polisher, and one of the shortcomings is the slow battery charger. So maybe that will help things. Unfortunately, it's not one that you can run a Makita battery in, so you have to use their battery. It's proprietary. I haven't figured that one out yet. But just wanted to give you guys an update. So one down, and I'm going to replace it. Still running the DeWalt, and of course the 2 Milwaukees and the SPTA version 2 as my cordless polishers in the shop. And the Milwaukees are getting heavily used. They've been loaned out to several people, and we will be reporting on how everybody's experience has been. The reason I've took so long to come out with these Milwaukee reviews is because I really wanted to get a good, honest opinion on everything and really test them. So they've been out for about 6 months. Videos coming tomorrow, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.